If you have cast iron cookware, you will understand why I'm so excited that Cuisinel gifted me their Chainmail Silicone Scrubber. Now, I have had cast iron cookware for my entire life, and I usually have to scrub it with something really sturdy, like often a kind of chainmail sheet, which I'm usually damaging the tips of my fingers with. It's messy, it's no fun. This looks perfect. And in this video, I'm going to be putting this to the test, but what I am so excited about is you get that chainmail scrub, and that is key when it comes to cast iron to really get off all the little dirty bits. Get that pan as sparkly clean as you want it to, whether or not you are just cleaning with water or with something that's going to clean it just a little bit more. Maybe baking soda, maybe a mild soap, just make sure you oil it on the other side. But this is not just that chainmail scrubber that most of us may be used to. This has a handle, which not only is going to help keep my hand clean, keep my fingers from getting damaged, but also gives you such a better grip for an easier scrub. And it is silicone, which is also fantastic. Silicone is not plastic, it's made from silica, and it is totally fine for food storing, for food preparation, cooking. It is a great material for the kitchen. And you may not be able to tell, but it's actually almost like a honeycomb silicone throughout that this is on. So it almost breathes and it's a little bit squishy. So it has a little bit of give to really get into the corners. And then it does come with this pan scraper as well. Now this does feel and look like a hard piece of plastic, so definitely don't use this on anything hot, but this has all those nice little corners to get in those edges that this may not be able to get into. But this is the real treat, and I am so excited to put this to the test. So let's take it to the kitchen. Now, of course, the first pan I want to test is with the Cuisinel because it's just fitting. So all I'm gonna do for this one is water and the scrubber. And I can already tell it's doing a remarkably good job, and it's much easier and more comfortable to hold than my prior just sheet. And if there were any hard places that I need to scratch off, this will come in use, especially because it's the perfect corner for this edge right here. So it really would get anything that builds up around the edges. And I could also use this on any hard spot to just scrape at as well. As you can see, it worked perfectly. This is beautiful. Now, this fabulous Cuisinel cast iron pan is not my only cast iron pan, so let me show you this on a much older, more used pan, as I think it could be much more rewarding to see what it can do with a pan like this that really has been through it. This is a very old non-branded pan that has even been repaired over time. And I do want to point out that for this video, I am only using water and the scrubber. If for any reason I thought I needed to, I do occasionally use soap with my cast iron. I just make sure to oil it and season it on the other side. Some people will say never do that, but soap these days, especially the one I use, are so mild that they're not going to ruin the seasoning. But let's go for it. And that did such a good job. Obviously, I could have cooked something a lot harder to test this pan, but I did burn some stuff onto it to do this test, and it all came off so easily. Now, I didn't even spend that much time on this, and it's beautiful. That's exactly what I want to see. This is hands down the best chainmail scrubber I've ever used. It's very smartly designed and a perfect addition to your cast iron cookware collection. I definitely recommend the Cuisinel scrubber. I'm gonna be using this moving forward, and I think you'll love it as well.